Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart Gadget Reviews. Today, I'm breaking down the top 13 best work boots for men for durability, comfort, and safety. I've tested and researched these Amazon favorites to help you choose the right pair for work. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews.
TitanGrip leather work boots. The TitanGrip leather work boots are built for serious traction on slippery surfaces. The deep lug rubber outsole meets ASTM slip resistance standards for wet concrete, oily floors, or muddy sites. The full-grain leather upper resists abrasion and cleans easily. Inside, a padded collar and moisture-wicking lining keep feet dry during long shifts. I wore these for 12-hour warehouse shifts without aching feet. The EVA midsole provides shock absorption without feeling too soft. These boots have a wide toe box, perfect for wider feet. They run true to size and break in after 3 days. For under $100, TitanGrip delivers premium traction. If you work on slick surfaces, these boots will keep you upright and pain-free. StormForge Moc Toe Boots. The StormForge Moc Toe Boots are a fantastic option for men wanting classic work boot style combined with dependable comfort and rugged everyday performance. I really enjoy how supportive these boots feel during long hours because the cushioned footbed helps reduce pressure and fatigue throughout busy workdays. The mock toe design gives them a timeless appearance while still offering excellent durability for demanding environments and outdoor conditions. Another feature I appreciate is the sturdy outsole that provides reliable traction on slippery or uneven surfaces. The leather upper feels durable and well constructed without sacrificing flexibility or comfort. The StormForge Moc Toe Boots are stylish, dependable, and practical for daily hardworking environments.
TitanCore Steel Toe Boots. The TitanCore Steel Toe Boots are built for men who need serious protection, durability, and comfort while handling physically demanding work environments daily. I really appreciate how secure these boots feel because the steel toe protection adds confidence during heavy lifting, warehouse tasks, and construction work. The rugged outsole provides dependable traction on slippery or uneven surfaces, helping maintain stability throughout long shifts. Another feature I like is the cushioned interior that supports comfort during extended wear without causing excessive foot fatigue. The durable leather construction feels tough and resistant to wear, making these boots dependable for challenging conditions. The TitanCore Steel Toe Boots deliver strong performance every day. RuggedFlex Chelsea Boots. The RuggedFlex Chelsea Boots prove work boots can be practical and easy to wear. The elastic side panels and rear pull tab let you slip these on and off in seconds, no laces to tie. The waterproof leather upper keeps your feet dry in rain or mud. Inside, a moisture-wicking lining and removable cushioned insole provide all-day comfort. I wore these for landscaping work, and they stayed comfortable through 8 hours of walking. The rubber outsole is oil and slip-resistant with deep lugs that shed mud. They meet ASTM electrical hazard standards. For around $130, RuggedFlex combines convenience with protection. If you hate laces but need a legit work boot, these are your answer.
KevlarGuard Utility Boots. The KevlarGuard utility boots bring cut and abrasion resistance to the job site. The upper is reinforced with Kevlar panels, making these boots incredibly tough against sharp edges or broken glass. The composite safety toe is lighter than steel and won't set off metal detectors. It meets ASTM impact standards. The outsole is heat resistant up to 572 degrees Fahrenheit and slip resistant on oily surfaces. I used these in a recycling plant, stepping on sharp metal daily, and the boots showed zero cuts. Inside, a breathable mesh lining reduces sweat. These boots are surprisingly lightweight. They run true to size. For around $170, KevlarGuard is the choice for anyone working with sharp materials daily. Your feet will thank you. CalibreShield Safety Boots. The CalibreShield safety boots are designed for men who need dependable protection, comfort, and durability while working in physically demanding environments every day. I really like how secure these boots feel because the reinforced safety features provide confidence during heavy-duty tasks and busy job site activities. The slip-resistant outsole delivers reliable traction on wet or uneven surfaces, improving stability throughout long shifts and outdoor work. Another feature I appreciate is the cushioned interior that supports all-day comfort and helps reduce foot fatigue during demanding schedules. The durable construction feels tough enough for daily wear while maintaining flexibility for movement. The CalibreShield safety boots provide comfort, durability, and dependable support daily.
Armadillo SteelGuard Boots. The Armadillo SteelGuard boots are a tough and dependable choice for men needing reliable foot protection, durability, and comfort during demanding workdays. I really appreciate how solid these boots feel because the steel toe protection adds confidence while working around heavy equipment, tools, and construction materials. The rugged outsole provides dependable traction on slippery surfaces, helping improve balance and stability during movement. Another feature I like is the cushioned interior that supports comfort during long hours without causing excessive pressure or fatigue. The durable leather construction feels strong enough for harsh conditions while remaining flexible for everyday use. The Armadillo SteelGuard boots handle challenging environments impressively well. Hudson Steel Toe Boots. The Hudson Steel Toe Boots are an excellent option for men who need dependable safety, rugged durability, and comfortable support throughout long work shifts. I really like how protective these boots feel because the reinforced steel toe helps provide extra confidence around heavy tools and demanding job environments. The durable outsole delivers reliable traction on slippery, muddy, or uneven surfaces, helping maintain stability while walking or lifting equipment. Another feature I appreciate is the cushioned insole that helps reduce foot fatigue during physically demanding tasks. The sturdy leather construction feels durable and resistant to wear, making these boots a dependable long-term investment. The Hudson Steel Toe Boots perform reliably every day. DryShield Leather Work Boots. The DryShield leather work boots are a fantastic choice for men needing waterproof protection, dependable comfort, and rugged durability for outdoor jobs or harsh weather conditions. I really appreciate how these boots keep feet dry because the waterproof construction handles rain, mud, and wet environments extremely well. The durable outsole also provides reliable traction on slippery surfaces, helping improve stability during physically demanding tasks and long workdays. Another feature I like is the cushioned interior that supports comfort while reducing foot fatigue during extended wear. The leather upper feels strong and well-built, giving these boots a rugged appearance without sacrificing flexibility. The DryShield leather work boots perform impressively in rough weather daily. IronClaw Safety Boots. The IronClaw safety boots are built for men who need strong protection, reliable comfort, and durable construction during physically demanding workdays. I really like how sturdy these boots feel because the reinforced safety features provide extra confidence while handling tools, machinery, and heavy equipment. The rugged outsole delivers dependable traction on slippery or uneven surfaces, helping maintain balance throughout long shifts. Another feature I appreciate is the cushioned interior that supports all-day comfort while reducing pressure and fatigue during extended wear. The durable upper materials resist wear and harsh conditions, making these boots suitable for challenging environments. The IronClaw safety boots perform extremely well for hardworking men daily.
TacForce Combat Boots. The TacForce Combat Boots are a rugged and versatile option for men who need dependable support, durability, and comfort for work or outdoor activities. I really appreciate how lightweight these boots feel compared to traditional heavy-duty footwear, while still providing excellent ankle support and protection. The durable outsole delivers reliable traction on rough terrain, slippery surfaces, and uneven environments during long hours of movement. Another feature I like is the breathable interior that helps improve comfort and airflow throughout busy days and demanding schedules. The reinforced construction feels tough enough for outdoor use while maintaining flexibility for mobility. The TacForce Combat Boots provide dependable comfort and versatile daily performance. AquaShield Soft Toe Boots. The AquaShield Soft Toe Boots are a great option for men wanting lightweight comfort, waterproof protection, and dependable durability for everyday work environments. I really like how comfortable these boots feel because the soft toe design allows more flexibility while still offering reliable support during long shifts. The waterproof construction helps keep feet dry in wet conditions, muddy areas, and outdoor environments throughout the day. Another feature I appreciate is the slip-resistant outsole that provides dependable traction on slick or uneven surfaces for improved stability. The cushioned interior also helps reduce foot fatigue during extended wear and demanding tasks. The AquaShield soft toe boots perform impressively well for daily work.
Sureway Goodyear Safety Boots.
The Sureway Goodyear safety boots are an excellent choice for men who need dependable durability, strong protection, and lasting comfort during demanding workdays. I really appreciate how sturdy these boots feel, because the Goodyear welt construction adds extra durability and long-term reliability for heavy daily use. The slip-resistant outsole provides dependable traction on slippery or uneven surfaces, helping improve balance and stability while working. Another feature I like is the cushioned insole that supports comfort and reduces foot fatigue during long hours on busy job sites. The durable leather upper feels rugged and resistant to wear, making these boots suitable for challenging environments. The Sureway Goodyear safety boots perform impressively every day. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this guide helps you pick the perfect work boots for your needs. These options are some of the best I've tested for comfort, safety, and durability across different job environments. Before we wrap up, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Stay tuned for more reviews from Smart Gadget Reviews, and see you in the next video.